According to blank, no two electrons in the same atom can have the same four quantum numbers. The answer is B. The Pauli exclusion principle. The next question. Identify the element represented by each electron configuration. Report each answer as a chemical symbol. One, gallium. 2 is fluorine. 3 is yttrium. Next question. Which element has atoms with exactly 4 valence electrons in its ground state? The answer is C, silicon. Which 2 elements are paramagnetic? The answer are A, nitrogen, and B, lead. Next question. What are the 4 quantum numbers for the last electron added to the electron configuration of lithium? Report your answer with numbers separated by commas. The answer 2, 0, 0, plus 1/2 or 2, 0, 0, minus 1/2. Next question. Which one lists the elements from smallest to largest atomic covalent radii? The answer is D. Helium is smaller than lithium, which is smaller than sodium, which is smaller than rubidium, which is smaller than cesium. Arrange the following ions in order of decreasing, largest to smallest, ionic radius. Potassium cation, calcium cation, sulfide anion, chloride anion. Report your answers as element symbols. The largest, so position 1. Sulfur, followed by chlorine, followed by potassium, and then the largest be calcium. Report your answers element symbols. Each of these correspond to the ionic version. Next question. Which equation represents the process related to the first ionization energy of the element? The answer is C. Next question. The second period element, blank, would experience a large increase between the third and fourth ionization energies. The answer is boron. You could also list the symbol. Next question. Electron affinity of an atom is the energy associated with the equation. The answer is B. How many unpaired electrons are in a gaseous cobalt 3+ ion in the ground state? The answer is C, 4. The remaining questions on this page are associated with Chapter 7 and will be covered at a later time.